Hello students, once more welcome to our channel. So today in the last class we had discussed regarding the cofactors and minor of determinant. Today we will discuss here the adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint, how we have to first we will write the definition. So what is the adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of a matrix, it will be defined only for a square matrix. In a square matrix, if you will first you need to find the cofactors. After getting cofactors, the transpose of that cofactor matrix will give you the adjoint of that matrix, right? That is very important. So let us see the definition. The adjoint of a square matrix A, small a is a m by m, it is m by m square matrix, defined as the transpose of the matrix capital Aij m by m. This capital Aij is the cofactor of the element small aij. This small element Aij, these are the cofactors. That transpose will give the adjoint. Adjoint of the matrix A is denoted by Adj. What it will be written? It will be written as Adj dot A. Once more in the symbolically way, how will write? Suppose this is the matrix A square matrix, and how will write? It is 3 rows 3 columns, A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33. Now this is a 3 by 3 order matrix. Now what will be? Suppose its cofactors are A11 capital, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then how to get? First you need to find cofactors. The adjoint A is equals to transpose of this matrix. I mean these rows will be converted into columns. This A11, A12, 13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this will give you the adjoint of this matrix. Understood? That is a very important result based on this. If you will multiply the matrix A with adjoint A, matrix A and adjoint A, you will get determinant A into I. And another important property, A into adjoint A is also equal to adjoint A into N to A. So this will be commutative, and this will give I is the identity matrix. So with we will verify this one with this example. Here one example we have solved. So the example is find the adjoint of this matrix where A is 1 2 minus 1 3. This adjoint to find. To find adjoint, what you require? You require to find first minor, then cofactor, then the matrix. Here minor. Minor means this minor of A1 1. This row, this column deleted 3 then M12 similarly first row your second column deleted minus 1. Then similarly A21 the second row first column deleted 2 remain. Then A22 M22 this is equal second row second column deleted 1 left. Now to find cofactors. Cofactors how to get? That will be formula is Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. So A11 is 3 because 1 plus 1 2, 2 power minus 1 is positive. A12 1 plus 2 minus 8 is 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. The minus of minus 1 plus 1. It is 2 plus 1 3, again minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, minus 1 into 2 it is minus 2. Similarly 2 plus 2 4, it is even, it will give positive, it will be 1. Now to get the adjoint. Adjoint what you will write? This is A11, A12, A21, A22. So this will be 3 1. This will be your first column and this is second column. So this is your adjoint A. I hope everybody got. Now let another I am telling that this can be also solved with an example. My shortcut way also it is there. This 2 by 2 order matrix, if adjoint you need to find, you can find it directly. Very simple way it is you can get. Just I will show you. Suppose here the shortcut how to get? Suppose here A, B, C, D. it is the A matrix is given. Then adjoint A will be, you just first diagonal interchange. First diagonal A, D is there. This is a square matrix, this is the diagonal element, interchange it. Means here D will be there, here A will be there. Next, the sign of this you change. Means they will be interchange. They will be interchange. And this diagonal element, the sign will change. Sign to change. Then what are you getting? This will be minus B and minus C. Just you see here. This is the 1 2 minus 1 3. Interchange 3 1 is here. Yes or no? Next, sign change. Here minus 2 minus 1. So directly you can go for 2 by 2 order matrix to find its adjoint. I hope understood. Next, to second part, to verify that property, to verify the property A into adjoint A is equals to adjoint A into A is determinant A into I. That part will do verification for this above example. Here what are you getting? First let us solve the A into adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to how much? This is A is your 1 2 minus 1 3 and your adjoint A is 3 minus 2 1 1. And how to get the first row, first column? It is 3 plus 2 5. Then next, this is minus 2 plus 2 0. This is minus 3 plus 3 is 0. And this is minus plus 2 and 3 it is 5. So what are you getting? This is equals to 5 into, this is 1 0 0 1. This is nothing, it is 5 into I, identity matrix. Now similarly also you will get, adjoint A. You can check it better. In adjoint A into A also you will get 5 into this one 1 0 0 1. But what is the determinant value of A? Determinant A, let us check. Determinant A value will be equal to what? 3 1 is 3, cross multiplication, that is 3 minus of minus 2, that is 5. What are you getting? Hence it is verified. A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. I hope you understood. So this is important property. This we will find the adjoint and the shortcut rule to remember. Okay, so just note it. Again we will solve one example for a 3 by 3 order matrix to find adjoint as well as the determinant. Just note it. Let us solve another example of a 3 by 3 order matrix. Here example 2, find the adjoint of 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. Here same way, what you require? Step 1 you need to find minus, step 2 you can find also the cofactor and then adjoint. So let us do step by step. I am explaining this question because it is a beginner, it is starting. When you will be habituated, then you can go for direct solving. So here now M11, first row first column you delete the determinant, 3 5 0 1, that will be equal to 3 minus 0, it is 5. So what will be the cofactor? Then this is M11. Similarly M12 what will get? First row second column you delete, that is 2 minus 2 5 1. Determinant, that will be 2 plus 10, 2 plus 10 12. Similarly you find it, similarly we can get it, and similarly we get M11 is 0 plus 6 is 6, M21 is equals to, it is minus 1, M22 is 5, M23 is minus 2, M31 is minus 11, M32 is, similarly where you have minor you have got. After that I am telling how you will get the cofactor. Nothing to do, just what you will do, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, right? So here directly we can write just these values, you copy it from minor, it is 5, it is just alternate put the sign. This is 5 here, then it will come minus 12, here it is 6, then it is minus of minus 1 plus 1, then it will be equals to 5 as it is, then minus of minus 2 plus 2, then it is minus 11, then it will be minus 1, and this will be 5. This way you have got the cofactor. After getting cofactor, these are your row element, A11, A12, A13. This is second row element, this is third row element. Now you require to find what? You require to find adjoint. Then what is the adjoint? The adjoint A is equals to, suppose this is the matrix, the adjoint A, this is first column, second column, third column. This will be C1, this is C2, this is C3. Mean what you will write? Just 5 minus 12 6, and this is 1 5 2, and this is minus 11 minus 1 5. So this will be your adjoint of this matrix. I hope everybody understood. Okay, the step 1 you will find minor, then cofactor, then just you find adjoint. Again the same question will solve in another shortcut way. Sometimes if the time is short, how we will do? So first you note it down, then I am telling the next one, the shortcut way, the same problem how to solve. Now the same question let us solve by the shortcut way. How we will solve in more simplest way this adjoint to get? What you will do, it is a shortcut rule, as I am telling, it is not the procedure. You just write down this matrix, it is 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. After that you repeat these two column once more, just beside of this. This is 1 2 minus 2, and this will be minus 1 3 0. Only first two column you have to repeat. After that you repeat the first two rows below these numbers. Here 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1, first row. Then second row 2 3 5 2 3. I hope everybody got. Next you just block this way, these numbers you block it. Okay, next you just do the cross here, this way, the multiplication. It is what you are getting. Now adjoint, directly will write the adjoint is equals to, it is 3 minus 0, it is 3. Then next multiply in this way, but you will write the element column wise. Row wise you will multiply, column wise you will write. 5 into minus 2, it is minus 10 and this is minus 2. So this will be minus 12. Then 0 minus 6. 0 minus of minus 6, it is plus 6. This way. Next again coming to the second row, this will give you the second column element. It is 0 minus 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. This is minus minus, it is 2 minus 0, 2 only. And then it is minus minus plus minus 5 and minus 6 minus 11. This is then 4 minus 5, it is minus 1. It is 3 plus 2, 5. So this will be your adjoint. Just you check the answer. Already answer here we have written. The previous question we have solved. This was your answer. Is it matching? 3, it is 3, 5, some differences. Okay, let me check it. Let me check what is the problem here. Why this is the difference here? Here is the mistake. Actually by mistake we have written here 5. Actually here the minor M11 what you are getting? It is 3501. So that will give 3 minus 0, it is 3. So A11 is also 3. So this is not 5, this is 3. So this is the answer actually. Now by mistake actually we have posted there. Now you check both the matrix. What are you getting? 3, 1, minus 11, minus 12, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, 5. So both are same. So that way you have done descriptive way, and this is the shortcut way. Suppose you are having very less time and you have to in the competitive you have to find. So you can go for this way to find the adjoint of this matrix. So I hope you understood. So in this way we will find the adjoint of the matrix. So thank you class, and next class we will discuss the how to find inverse of a matrix using adjoint.